Everybody keeps asking me about Bitcoin. We've seen it in the comments. We've seen it on the videos that we've been posting the last couple of days. Bitcoin is very, very popular right now. And more specifically, the price of Bitcoin is even more so a thing of a lot of discussion in people's minds right now. We're seeing $28,000 per coin, at least at the chart that I'm looking at as of right now as I'm making this video. And from what we can tell, with the overall movement that we've experienced really since kind of the beginning of March, around the beginning of March, and the rally that we've been on since then, most of crypto is doing very, very well right now. Now, one of the big reasons for this is, of course, the bank collapses that we've seen happen over the last couple of months, or well, the last couple of weeks, I should say, in this month. What we saw with SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, if you're familiar with that story and why that bank, well, no longer really exists. We're also seeing a lot of movement in general out of these traditional institutionalized banking stocks and into more speculative assets like crypto, right? And that's kind of why we've been experiencing this run over the last couple of days, because a lot of people are thinking that a lot of big banks are going to fail. A lot of big banks are going to, basically kind of default or end up, bank runs. And again, there's a lot of speculation in the markets right now. While I am not the complete doom and gloom type of person that you might think I would be in this kind of instance, when it comes to the regular stock market. Again, one of the things I always like to look at in general is, having some balance in this overall viewpoint, right? I don't think that just because a few banks are not doing very well all of a sudden and collapsing or having, monetary issues or whatever it might be, I don't think that that is a genuine signal that, the entire monetary system is going to collapse and crypto is going to replace everything, like a lot of people on social media are screaming from the rooftops right now. I just don't think that that's going to happen. From what I can tell and from what I've looked at after trading stocks, crypto, being in financial markets and investing for almost 6 years now, this is something that I've seen, right? We've seen the bull markets come and go. We've seen the bear markets come and go. Is this a sign that crypto is moving into a bull market? I don't think so, at least not yet. Is this a sign that the rally is going to continue into the later parts of this month? I do think so. One of the reasons I think so is because the overall market and the overall state of economic affairs right now is conducive to the overall running of crypto, right? Crypto is only going to do better and better as traditional financial markets continue to hemorrhage and suffer. We're seeing it with the stock market. We're seeing it with all types of other asset classes. We're seeing it with banks. We're seeing it with rate hikes. We're seeing it with everything across the board when it comes to the economy, and especially in the United States alone. More and more people are wanting to get into decentralized types of cryptocurrency, decentralized, banking systems, things like Bitcoin, stores of value where they can put their money that isn't necessarily controlled by one single institution or isn't controlled by a larger government body. This is truly free finance, right? Unbanking yourself. A lot of people like to talk about. And really, what this all comes down to is whether or not that sentiment continues into the coming weeks. And really, I would love to know in the comments below what you guys think. What do you think is going to happen to the overall cryptocurrency market over the next month and into the coming months as well? In my opinion, this rally does continue if we see more bank collapses, if we see more rate hikes, and if we see more of the overall traditional financial markets continue to hurt the way they've been hurting. People are going to look for other solutions. Retail is going to look for other solutions. Institutional banking is going to look for other solutions. More and more people are going to hop into crypto as an alternative asset class to other underperforming asset classes in order to generate some kind of return. And crypto seems to be positioned in a very interesting place that could provide that specific goal or end goal in mind. Let me know, like I said in the comments below, what you guys think. If you haven't already, make sure to join our free Discord, guys, with the first link down in the description below. That's how you get access to our daily buy and sell alerts that we post on a daily basis. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.